Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by verifying the device and browser you're using, because ad controls differ by platform. Once you have that, install a reputable ad blocker extension and enable its default filter lists to block common third-party trackers. Make sure to back up bookmarks and settings before you change anything, so you can restore if needed. This step gives immediate reduction in ads and prepares you for deeper controls. It's fast, effective, and prevents accidental loss of data. Next, harden the browser. Turn on block third-party cookies and send do not track headers to reduce tracking. Then, open your ad blocker and add privacy-focused filter lists. Turn off any acceptable ads option and use element blocking for persistent banners. For complex pages, add a script or content blocker to stop third-party scripts from loading altogether. These layered measures remove trackers at multiple points. They require more configuration, but give much stronger and consistent ad reduction across sites. To finish, test several sites and clear the cache to ensure new rules apply. Reload pages and confirm third-party ads are gone. Whitelist only trusted sites that break, and record any configuration changes so you can roll them back if necessary. If ads still appear, disable extensions one by one to find conflicts, then reconfigure or replace the extension causing the issue. This troubleshooting tip helps you isolate problems quickly, so you end up with a stable setup that blocks.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.